Hey, what's going on? Do you want to tell me why you're mad that Papa's gone? Hi.
Hi.
You want to tell me what's going on? What's happening?
I miss Papa.
How come?
That's why I'm mad. Seriously?
Yeah?
That's why I'm mad.
Where is he?
Russia, Moscow.
Yeah.
Yep.
What's he doing there?
He's trying to make money.
Yeah.
He's working.
How come he's gone for so long?
It's their job to do.
Yeah. Did you talk to him?
Yeah?
Did you tell him how much you miss him?
Uh-huh.
What'd he say?
He said no.
Did he say he misses you too?
He said no.
He said no. No to what?
No to me.
I can't see your face.
No to me.
No what to you?
No, I can't go to his birthday party.
He said he's not going to your birthday party?
No, he said I can't go to his birthday party.
What? Do you know that he has a birthday coming up before you move away? Should we have a party? What's up, pumpkin?
I don't forgive you.
You don't forgive me?
No.
What did I do wrong?
He said I can't come to your birthday.
Oh, you can come to my birthday party.
Yeah.
Will you buy me a big present? All right.
But it's going to be really heavy.
Is it?
Uh-huh. How about a little one?
Okay. What are you going to buy for me?
A Barbie car.
Oh, I'll love that.
And wait, you gotta be good every day. Like the toilet, clean up the room, and you're gonna get a Barbie car and a Barbie too.
Okay, so if I am good every day.
I got a car too.
You did?
Yep.
What did you do to earn your car?
I flushed the toilet every morning.
Good job. What else did you do?
I didn't flush the toilet. I left poop. Poop in my bathroom.
You did?
Mommy flushed it.
Yeah.
But I didn't beat her for my Kitty, get down! Hey! Who's that back to me?
What?
Who's coming back to me?
Who's coming back to you?
No, who is coming back? I was yelling.
I don't see anybody.
No, who is coming back to me? I was yelling.
You were yelling. Oh, the echo?
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Why the echo goes back?
Well, it bounces off those houses and comes back to you.
Ah! Huh? Hey! Why say hey?
Because that's what you said.
Stop it! What?
It says whatever you say.
Stop it!
You're silly.